Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Marhaba. Assalamu alaikum. Ana Cynthia Samson में Kanati Mayan Al Arabiyati Al Abbariyati. Welcome everybody. This is Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News channel. So today we are going to study the next verse, that is from 58 to 120 from Al Araf. Al Yawma Sawfu Nadrusul Ayata means Samanya wa Khamsun ila mi'a wa ashrun minal arafi. So let's start. A'udhu billahi minash shaitan rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So first the reading will be done in Arabic language, then the translation will be done in English language. Very slowly I will speak. So first let's start from the verse 58 to 67. So let's start. Wal baladu tayyibu yakhruju nabatuhu bi izni rabbihi walla lazi khabutta la yakhruju illa nakida kazalika nusarriful ayati li qaumin yashkurun laqad arsalna nuhan ila qaumihi faqala ya qaumi budullaha ma lakum min ilahin ghayruhu inni akhafu alaykum azaba yawmin azim kalal mala'u min qawmihi inna lanaraka fi dalalin mubin kala ya qawmi laysa bi dalalatun wa lakinni rasulun min rabbil alamin uballighukum risalati rabbi wa ansahu lakum wa alamu minnallahi ma la ta'lamun awa ajibtum anjaakum zikrum min rabbikum ala rajulin minkum liyun zirakum wa li tataqaw wa la alakum turhamun wa kazabuhu fa anjay nahu wala lazina ma ahaw fil fulki wa agra kannal lazina kazabaw bi ayatina innahum kanaw qauman amin wa illa adin akhahum hauda kala ya qaumi budullaha malakum min illahin ghayruhu afala tataqun kala mala ulla lazina kafara min qaumihi inna lana rakafi safahatin wa inna lanakzunuka minal kazibin kala ya qaumi laysa bi safahatun wa lakini rasulun min rabbil alamin. So what does it mean in English? So from the land that is clean and good, by the will of its cherisher springs up, produce rich after its kind, but from the land that is bad springs up nothing but that which is niggardly. Thus do we explain the signs by various symbols to those who are grateful. We sent Noah to his people. He said, O my people, worship Allah. Ye have no other God but him. I fear for you the punishment of a dreadful day. The leaders of his people said, we see thee evidently wandering in mind. He said, O my people, no wandering is there in my mind. On the contrary, I am an apostle from the Lord and cherisher of the worlds. I but fulfill towards you the duties of my Lord's mission. Sincere is my advice to you, and I know from Allah something that ye know not. Do ye wonder that there hath come to you a message from your Lord through a man of your own people to warn you, so that ye may fear God and haply receive his mercy? But they rejected him, and we delivered him and those with him in the ark, but we overwhelmed in the flood those who rejected our signs. They were indeed a blind people. To that people we sent had one of their own. Brethren, he said, O my people, worship Allah. Ye have no other God but him. Will ye not fear God? The leaders of the unbelievers among his people said, Ah, we see thou art an imbecile, and we think thou art a liar. He said, O my people, I am no imbecile, but I am an apostle from the Lord and cherisher of the worlds. Now next verse comes. That is from 68 to 73. Obali gukum risalati rabbi wa anna lakum nasihun amin. Awa ajibtum anjakum zikrum mir rabbikum ala rajulim minkum liyun zirakum was kurau is ja'alakum khulafa mim badi qawmi nohi wa zadakum fil khalqi bastaha faskurau Allah lahi la alakum tuflihun kalau ajitana lena budallaha wa hadahu wa nazara ma kana yabudu abauna fatina bimata iduna in kunta mena sadiki kala kad waqa alaikum mi rabbikum rijsun wa gadab atujadiluna ni fi asma in samai tumoha antum wa abaukum ma nazala lahu biha min sultan fantazirau inni ma'akum minal muntazirin فأنجيناه والذين معه برحمة منا وقطعنا دبير الذين كذبوا بآياتنا وما كانوا مؤمنين وإلا ثمود أخاهم صالحا قال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره قد جاءتكم بينة من ربكم هذه Nakatullahi lakum aitan fazarawha takul fi ardillaha wa la tamassawha bisawin fayakhuzakum azabun alim. So what does it mean in English? I but fulfill towards you the duties of my Lord's mission. I am to you a sincere and trustworthy advisor. Do ye wonder that there hath come to you a message from your Lord through a man of your own people to warn you? Call in remembrance that he made you inheritors after the people of Noah and gave you a stature tall among the nations. Call in remembrance the benefits ye have received from Allah, so ye may prosper. They said, Comest thou to us that we may worship Allah alone and give up the cult of our fathers? Bring us what thou threatenest us with, if so be that thou tellest the truth. He said, punishment and wrath have already come upon you from your Lord. Dispute ye with me over names which ye have devised, ye and your fathers without authority from your Allah. Then wait, I am amongst you also waiting. We saved him and those who adhered to him by our mercy, and we cut off the roots of those who rejected our signs and did not believe. To the Thamud people we sent Saleh, one of their own brethren. He said, O my people, worship Allah. Ye have no other God but him. Now hath come unto you a clear sign from your Lord. This she-camel of Allah is a sign unto you, so leave her to graze in Allah's earth and let her come to no harm, or ye shall be seized with a grievous punishment. So now next verse comes, that is from 74 to 81. Waskurau is ja'alakum khulafa min ba'di adinwa bawa akum fil ardi tatakhizawna min suhawliha kusaw ranwa tan hitawnal jibala buyota faskurau ala lahi wala tathaw fil ardi mufsidin kalal mala ulla lazina stakbaraw min qawmihi lil lazina stud إفوا لمن آمن منهم أتعلمون أن صالحا مرسل من ربه قالوا إنا بما أرسل به مؤمنون قال الذين استكبروا إنا بالذي آمنتم به كافرون فأقروا النكرة وعتوا عن أمر ربهم وقالوا يا صالح ائتنا بما تعدنا إن كنت من المرسلين فأخذتهم الرجفة فأصبحوا في دارهم جاثمين فتولى عنهم وقال يا قوم لقد أبلغتكم رسالة ربي ونصحت لكم ولكن لا تحبون الناصحين ولوطا إذ قال لقومه أتأتون الفاحشة ما سبقكم بها من أحد من العالمين إنكم لتأتون الرجال شهوة من دون النساء بل أنتم قوم مسرفون. So what does it mean in English? And remember how he made you inheritors after the Ad people and gave you habitations in the land, and ye built for yourselves palaces and castles in open plains and carve out homes in the mountains. So bring to remembrance the benefits ye have received from Allah and refrain from evil and mischief on the earth. The leaders of the arrogant party among his people said to those who were reckoned powerless, those among them who believe, know ye indeed that Saleh is an apostle from his Lord. They said, we do indeed believe in the revelation which hath been sent through him. The arrogant party said, for our part, we reject what ye believe in. Then they hamstrung the she-camel and insolently defied the order of their Lord, saying, O Saleh, bring about thy threats if thou art an apostle of Allah. So the earthquake took them unawares, and they lay prostrate in their homes in the morning. So Saleh left them, saying, O my people, I did indeed convey to you the message for which I was sent by my Lord. I gave you good counsel, but ye love not good counselors. We also sent Lot. He said to his people, do ye commit lewdness such as no people in creation ever committed before you? For ye practice your lust on men in preference to women. Ye are indeed a people transgressing beyond bounds. Now next verse comes, that is from 82 to 87. وَمَا كَانَ جَوَابَ قَوْمِهِ إِلَّا أَنْ قَالُوا أَخْرِجُوهُمْ مِنْ قَرْيَتِكُمْ إِنَّهُمْ أُنَاسٌ يَتَطَهَّرُونَ فَأَنْجَيْنَاهُ وَأَهْلَهُ إِلَّا امْرَأَتَهُ كَانَتْ مِنَ الْغَابِرِينَ وَأَمْطَرْنَا عَلَيْهِمْ مَطَرًا فَانظُرْ كَيْفَ كَانَ عَاقِبَةُ الْمُجْرِمِينَ وَإِلَى مَدْيَنَ أَخَاهُمْ شُعَيْبًا قَالَ يَا قَوْمِ اعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ مَا لَكُمْ مِنْ إِلَٰهٍ غَيْرُهُ قَدْ جَاءَتْكُمْ بَيِّنَةٌ مِنْ رَبِّكُمْ فَأَوْفُوا الْكَيْلَ وَالْمِيزَانَ وَلَا تَبْخَسُوا النَّاسَ أشياءهم ولا تفسدوا في الأرض بعد إصلاحها ذلكم خير لكم إن كنتم مؤمنين ولا تقعدوا بكل صراط توعدون وتصدون عن سبيل الله من آمن به وتبغونها عوجا وَاذْكُرُوا إِذْ كُنْتُمْ قَلِيلًا فَكَثَّرَكُمْ وَانظُرُوا كَيْفَ كَانَ عَاقِبَةُ الْمُفْسِدِينَ وَإِنْ كَانَتْ طَائِفَةٌ مِنْكُمْ آمَنُوا بِالَّذِي أُرْسِلْتُ بِهِ وَطَائِفَةٌ لَمْ يُؤْمِنُوا فَاصْبِرُوا حَتَّى يَحْكُمَ اللَّهُ بَيْنَنَا وَهُوَ خَيْرُ الْحَاكِمِينَ. So what does it mean in English? And his people gave no answer, but this they said, drive them out of your city. These are indeed men who want to be clean and pure, but we saved him and his family except his wife. She was of those who lagged behind. And we rained down on them a shower of brimstone. Then see what was the end of those who indulged in sin and crime. To the Madian people we sent Shu'aib, one of their own brethren. He said, O my people, worship Allah, ye have no other God but Him. Now hath come unto you a clear sign from your Lord. Give just measure and weight, nor withhold from the people the things that are their due, and do no mischief on the earth after it has been set in order. That will be best for you if ye have faith. And squat not on every road, breathing threats, hindering from the path of Allah those who believe in Him and seeking in it something crooked. But remember how ye were little, and He gave you increase. And hold in your mind's eye that was the end of those who did mischief. And if there is a party among you who believes in the message with which I have been sent, and a party which does not believe, hold yourselves in patience until Allah doth decide between us, for He is the best to decide. Now next verse comes, that is from 88 to 95. Kalal mala ullazina stakbarau min qawmihi lanok rijanaka ya shu'aibu walla lazina amanu ma'aka min qaryatina awlata awduna fi milatina kala awalau kuna karihin kadifta raina alallahi kaziban in udna fi milatikum bada is najanallahu minha wama yakunu lana ana auda fiha illa anay yasha allahu rabbuna wasi'a rabbuna kulla shay'in ilma alallahi tawakkalna rabban nafta bainana wa baina qaumina bil haqqi wa anta khairul fatihin wa qalla al mala'ul lazina kafaru min qaumihi la inittaba'tum shu'aiban innakum izalla khasirun fa akhazatuhum rajfatu fa asbahu fi darihim jatimin Allah lazina kazabau shu'aiban ka alam yagnau fiha lazina kazabau shu'aiban kana humul khasirin fatawalla anhum wa kalava ya qaumi laqad ablaq tukum risalati rabbi wa nasahatu lakum fakaifa asa Allah qaumin kafirin wa ma arsalna fi kairi ati min nabiyyin illa akhazna ahlaha bil basai wa darra ila allahum yadarraun thumma badalna makana sayi'atil hasanata hata afwa kalau kad masa the raw was saraw fa akhazna hum baktatan wa hum la yash'urun. So what does it mean in English? The leaders, the arrogant party among his people, said, O Shoaib, we shall certainly drive thee out of our city, thee and those who believe with thee, or else ye thou and they shall have to return to our ways and religion. He said, what even thou? We do detest them. We should indeed invent a lie against Allah if we return to your ways after Allah hath rescued us therefrom, nor could we by any manner of means return thereto, unless it be as in the will and plan of Allah our Lord. Our Lord can reach out to the utmost recess of the things by His knowledge. In Allah is our trust. Our Lord, decide thou between us and our people in truth, for thou art the best to decide. The leaders, the unbelievers among his people, said, if ye follow Shoaib, be sure then ye are ruined. But the earthquake took them unawares, and they lay prostrate in their homes before the morning. The men who rejected Shoaib became as if they had never been in the homes where they had flourished. The men who rejected Shoaib, it was they who were ruined. So Shoaib left them, saying, O my people, I did indeed convey to you the messages for which I was sent by my Lord. I gave you good counsel, but how shall I lament over a people who refuse to believe? Whenever we sent a prophet to a town, we took up its people in suffering and adversity in order that they might learn humility. Then we changed their suffering into prosperity until they grew and multiplied and began to say, Our fathers too were touched by suffering and affluence. Behold, we called them to account of a sudden while they realized not their peril. Now next verse comes, that is from 96 to 104. وَلَوْ أَنَّ أَهْلَ الْقُرَىٰ آمَنُوا وَاتَّقَوْا لَفَتَحْنَا عَلَيْهِمْ بَرَكَاتٍ مِّنَ السَّمَاءِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَلَكِنْ كَذَّبُوا فَأَخَذْنَاهُمْ بِمَا كَانُوا يَكْسِبُونَ أَفَأَمِنَ أَهْلُ الْقُرَىٰ أَن يَأْتِيَهُم بَأْسُنَا بَيَاتًا وَهُمْ نَائِمُونَ أَوَ أَمِنَ أَهْلُ الْقُرَىٰ أَن يَأْتِيَهُم بَأْسُنَا ضُحًى وَهُمْ يَلْعَبُونَ أَفَأَمِنُوا مَكْرَ اللَّهِ فَلَا يَأْمَنُ مَكْرَ اللَّهِ إِلَّا الْقَوْمُ الْخَاسِرُونَ أَوَلَمْ يَهْدِ لِلَّذِينَ يَرِثُونَ الْأَرْضَ مِن بَعْدِ أَهْلِهَا أَن لَّوْ نَشَاءُ أَصَبْنَاهُم بِذُنُوبِهِمْ وَنَتْبَعُ عَلَىٰ قُلُوبِهِمْ فَهُمْ لَا يَسْمَعُونَ تِلْكَ الْقُرَىٰ نَقُصُّ عَلَيْكَ مِنْ أَنبَائِهَا وَلَقَدْ جَاءَتْهُمْ رُسُلُهُم بِالْبَيِّنَاتِ فَمَا كَانُوا لِيُؤْمِنُوا بِمَا كَذَّبُوا مِن قَبْلُ كَذَٰلِكَ يَطْبَعُ اللَّهُ عَلَىٰ قُلُوبِ الْكَافِرِينَ وَمَا وَجَدْنَا لِأَكْثَرِهِم مِّنْ أَحَدٍ وَإِنْ وَجَدْنَا أَكْثَرَهُمْ لَفَاسِقِينَ ثُمَّ بَعَثْنَا مِن بَعْدِهِ مُوسَىٰ بِآيَاتِنَا إِلَىٰ فِرْعَوْنَ وَمَلَئِهِ فَظَلَمُوا بِهَا فانظر كيف كان عاقبة المفسدين وقال موسى يا فرعون إني رسول من رب العالمين. So what does it mean in English? If the people of the towns had but believed and feared God, we should indeed have opened out to them all kinds of blessings from heaven and earth, but they rejected the truth, and we brought them to book for their misdeeds. Did the people of the towns feel secure against the coming of our wrath by night while they were asleep? Or else did they feel secure against its coming in broad daylight while they played about carefree? Did they then feel secure against the plan of Allah? But no one can feel secure from the plan of Allah except those doomed to ruin. To those who inherit the earth in succession to its previous possessors, is it not a guiding lesson that if we so willed, we could punish them too for their sins and seal up their hearts so that they could not hear? Such were the towns whose story we thus relate unto thee. There came indeed to them their apostles with clear signs, but they would not believe what they had rejected before. Thus doth Allah seal up the hearts of those who reject faith. Most of them we found not men true to their covenant, but most of them we found rebellious and disobedient. Then after them we sent Moses with our signs to Pharaoh and his chiefs, but they wrongfully rejected them. So see what was the end of those who made mischief. Moses said, O Pharaoh, I am an apostle from the Lord of the worlds. Now next verse comes, that is from 105 to 120. Then afterwards we are going to bind up. Hakikun Allah Qawla Allah lahi illal haq. قد جئتكم ببينات من ربكم فأرسل معي بني إسرائيل قال إن كنت جئت بآية فأت بها إن كنت من الصادقين فألقى عصاه فإذا هي ثوبان مبين ونزع يده فإذا هي بيضاء للناظرين قال ما لا من قوم فرعون إن هذا لساحر عليم يريد أن يخرجكم من أرضكم فماذا تأمرون قال أرجه وأخاه وأرسل في المدائن حشرين يأتوك بكل ساحر عليم وجاء السحرة فرعون قالوا إن لنا لا أجرا إن كنا نحن الغالبين قال نعم وإنكم لمن المقربين قالوا يا موسى إما أن تلقي وإما أن نكون نحن الملقين قال ألقوا فلما ألقوا سحروا أعين الناس واسترهبوهم وجاءوا بسحر عظيم وأوحينا إلى موسى أن ألقي عصاك فإذا هي تلقف ما يأفكون فوقع الحق وبطل ما كانوا يعملون فغلبوا هنالك وانقلبوا صاغرين وألقي السحرة صادقين. So what does it mean in English? One for whom it is right to say nothing but truth about Allah. Now have I come unto you people from your Lord with the clear signs, so let the children of Israel depart along with me. Pharaoh said, if indeed thou hast come with a sign, show it forth if thou tellest the truth. Then Moses threw his rod, and behold, it was a serpent plain for all to see. And he drew out his hand, and behold, it was white to all beholders. Said the chiefs of the people of Pharaoh, this is indeed a sorcerer well versed. His plan is to get you out of your land. Then what is it, ye counsel? They said, keep him and his brother in suspense for a while, and sent to the city's men to collect, and bring up to thee all our sorcerers well versed. So there came the sorcerers to Pharaoh. They said, of course we shall have a suitable reward if we win. He said, yea, and more, for ye shall in that case be raised to post nearest to my people. They said, O Moses, wilt thou throw first, or shall we have the first throw? Said Moses, throw ye first. So then they threw. They bewitched the eyes of the people and struck terror into them, for they showed a great feat of magic. We put it into Moses' mind by inspiration, throw now thy rod, and behold, it swallows up straightway all the falsehoods which they fake. Thus truth was confirmed, and all that they did was made of no effect. So the great ones were vanquished there and then, and were made to look small, but the sorcerers fell down prostrate in adoration. So Hada kullu shay'in lihada liyomi. So that's all for the day. كانت هذه سينثيا سامسون قناة ميان العربية الأخبارية. أشترك في قناتنا للأخبارية في العربية والهندية والإنجليزية. شكرا. So this was Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News Channel. Subscribe to my news channel for latest news updates in Hindi, English and Arabic language. Thank you. Shukran. Khuda Hafiz.